If you don't know how to remove link from Instagram bio, follow my steps. Open your Instagram app, make sure you are logged into it. Tap on the profile picture which is on the bottom right corner. Here you can see some link below my profile picture. To remove that link, you want to tap on edit profile. The link could be in the bio, but you cannot see any links on the bio right now. If there was a link in the bio, you just gotta tap on the bio and remove the link from your bio and then tap on done. But here you wanna tap on links. Number 1 represents there is one link linked to your bio, so tap on the links. If you want to create any sort of links, you want to tap on add external links and then paste any link that you want to put on the bio. But for now, to remove the link, you want to tap on the link that you want to remove, then tap on remove link which is in red color, then tap on remove, then you just want to go back and then tap on done which is on the top right corner. And that is how you can remove link from Instagram bio. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope this video helped you out.